Okay, so hello everyone to LearnPy. Today we'll be learning program flow or the program steps. Okay, so the program flow is so the order at which a program should run. So the programmer decides the flow of the program, the step at which for the program to be executed. Okay, so if you are preparing something, you know how you prepare. So let's say you want to prepare your tea or coffee, or maybe you do put your water, you put your warm water, and then you add your sugar, and then you add your milk to prepare your tea. Okay, so that's the same way that you can apply this in programming. So the steps as which you would want your program to run in each line of code. So we have the sequential step, we have the conditional step, and the repeated or the repeat steps. So we are going to try it out here. So here I'm going to say y equals 2. And then let's say y equals y plus 2. Okay, so I'm going to print using the print function. I'm going to print the value of y. Then let me hit shift enter, or I can use run here. Okay, so 4. Okay, so the value of y, that's 2 plus 2 gives us 4. So this was how the program ran. So the program started from here. It assigned a value of 2 to y. And it came to this line y, where the expression y plus 2. Okay, so 2 plus the value here, that's 2, and then it printed it out as 4. Okay, so that's the sequential steps, and then we have the conditional step. Okay, so with conditionals, what it does is it skips some steps based on the expression given. Okay, so let's try the conditional step and see. So x, or let's say y equals 2, and then if y is less than let's say 10, then print. So see Python indented here. So when you're using the conditionals, it indents it. Okay. So let's print small, or let's use less, and then going to if again, if y is greater than let's say y is greater than 15, print the colon, and then print less greater, this is greater, and then going to print okay. So let's see what is going to happen to print less than. Okay, so here we assign the value y to 2 to y, and then we are testing if y, okay, if 2 is less than 10, then we want to print this. If y is, that's 2 is greater than 15, then print greater, and then we want to finally print done. Okay, so here we had it printing less because 2 is less than what, 10. I skipped this step because y is not less than 15, or y is not greater than 15, that's 2 is not greater than 15. So this step is skipped and went straight to print done. Okay, so that's conditionals, but that will be taught in further lessons as we proceed. So let's go to repeat steps. Okay, so loop. Okay, so the repeat step is going to loop through. So you want to repeat a number of a series of numbers or something. So let's say v equals let's say 10. So while v equals, while v is greater than 0. Okay, so 10, while 10 is greater than 0, print the colon. We want to print v. So let's print v. Okay, so you can see it's printing. So you're going to keep printing. Okay, so as long as 10 is greater than 0, it will keep printing and printing. Okay, so that's what I can do. So it would print and print because 10 will forever be greater than 0. Okay, so there's a function that stops it from printing. Okay, so let's try that again. Oops. Let me change the assign to u, then change it to u. Let's print. Why isn't it working now? Run. Okay, so let's change the value here to 0. Then let's print y. Okay, so it's printing. So let's see, we'll print and print because, so you can see it keeps printing. Okay, so in order for this to stop, we just have to put break. It's a function called break. Okay, so break. Okay, so it stopped it. Okay, so it has stopped it because using this break. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.